Har Har Mahadev, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome to episode 2 of Naad Chetna. We tried to learn about Shiva Shakti in episode 1, Source of Creation. I am saying try because it is impossible to understand Shiva Shakti. If you want to understand Shiva Shakti, then you have to become Shiva Shakti yourself. Today, we will try to know this. Episode 2, Silence of Shiva, Sound of Shakti. Watch the full video and subscribe to Naad Chetna channel so that you keep getting our videos, and like and comment on the video and tell us how you liked our video. Let us start the video. Front 1, Number 1. Shiva and Shakti are not gods, but two fundamental forces of existence. Shiva equals complete void, consciousness, silence. Shakti equals energy, motion, vibration. Where there is consciousness but no energy, nothing happens. Where there is energy but no consciousness, there is no direction. Number 2. Origin of the universe, awakening of Shakti from the silence of Shiva. In the beginning there was only Shiva, silent, still, infinite. But in that silence, a desire arose. I want to know who I am. This desire became Spanda, the first divine vibration. From this vibration, Shakti arose, the same Adi Shakti, the same Kundalini. Shiv is stillness. Shakti is the vibration of that stillness. Number 3, major forms of Shakti, creation. Shakti gives birth to the universe. Creation, Shakti gives birth to the universe. Sustain, Shakti runs the universe, and destruction. Shakti erases the old and creates the new. These three forces together create the balance of the universe. Saraswati, knowledge; Lakshmi, growth; Kali, Durga, protection, transformation. Number 4. How does Shiva Shakti work within us? Shakti lies dormant in the Muladhara chakra, root chakra, as Kundalini. Shiva lies in the Sahasrara chakra, crown chakra, as Jyan, Dhyan, and Brahma. Shakti awakens through meditation, sadhana, and a pure lifestyle, and rises through the upper chakras when Shakti meets Shiva in Sahasrara, that is self-realization. Then you are neither a man nor a woman. Then you are Shiva and you are Shakti as well. Number 5. Modern science versus spiritual wisdom. Science says everything is energy, but spirituality says energy is conscious. This energy is not just molecules, it is alive.
Quantum physics says observer collapse the wave function. That is, the observer gives birth to the universe. And our scriptures have been saying for thousands of years, Tat Tvam Asi, you are the same. Number 6. What is the experience of Shiva Shakti like? When Shakti awakens, peace comes within, but it is not inertia, it is living energy. Thinking does not stop, but thoughts become pure. Breathing goes on, but Om is heard in every breath. Nothing comes from outside, but the real form of the self comes out. Shiva Shakti are not idols to be worshipped. They are two aspects within us. Shiv equals awareness. Shakti equals action. When both become one, then Naad, sound, Chetna, consciousness, awakens. How did you like our video? You can tell us in the comment box. Our aim is to give you the right knowledge. Please support us. Har Har Mahadev.